are not able to attract a lot of foreign direct investment into the African continent, particularly because of the cancer of corruption. And we have said that we are going to practice a policy of zero tolerance to corruption. We are introducing a social protection program for the very poor in our country. And they will be getting a cash transfer that will enable these families to be able to live some decent life.
Kenya is about maybe 17-18% of GDP in terms of revenue, but OECD average is 30%, right? What opportunities do you see to raise revenue?
Levels of taxation is a little bit too high, and the net is so small. My view is that if you broaden the net and you lower the level, you'll be able to collect more.
Our candidate is coming up with the issues that he wants to do for Kenyans.
We've been able to show the Americans that we have our candidate and is a candidate of choice for the Kenyans.